all the team feel like a new sort of sense of spirit to fight at next Dakar, because of course to lose that one this year was rough. We'll go there with Red Bull to get all our tests and checks done and see where all the bodies and where everyone's kind of situated and where they're at.
I bring the boys to my country and show them a bit.
Yeah, boy! Hey, careful! What are you doing?
The start of the day today, we got treated to a bit of royalty. We went there to Hangar 7 in Salzburg, where they've got all the fighter jets and planes and helicopters, and I was treated like rock stars this morning.
He's a nice tight squeeze in here, boys. Yeah, that's sick, eh? Wow. Yeah! Oh, that's so good. Yeah, that's so good.
I bring the boys to my country and show them a bit.
Yeah, Wagner organised all this for us. The boss organised it, so it's good. No, but it's not often we're all together, so this is the best part. You can go and do these things.
Here is the Salzburg ring, the race circuit.
Over there.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, boy. Hey, careful. What are you doing? Oh, we're going fast. Yeah, we're moving.
Nicky, how fast we fly now?
About 260 kilometers an hour.
That's scary. Yeah, that's good. Scary. Give us some more.
This is the Fuschel Lake.
Yeah.
There is the Red Bull headquarter. This looks cool, eh?
Yeah. From the air, it looks really good.
It's a beautiful place, Austria, from the sky, you know. You see all the lakes and all the greenery and the mountains and all these little things, and then to see how big KTM is, it's mad.
Looks like it's KTM, the motorsport
The e-bike track.
e-bike track.
That's where Wagner has the world record.
Yeah. No, of course I'm super proud, and it's crazy how KTM grows.
Hey, it's crazy just how big it all is, you know? When I see it from the air, it's it's pretty special to see what goes into all these motorcycles and building them and putting them together, and it's it's a big process. Can we do another one of them nosedives?
Sure.
Beautiful. It's such a good feeling.
Oh, it's so soft.
Yeah, thank you very much, dude.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
I'm based in Australia. Sam is in Andorra now. Wagner lives in Austria. To try and get us all together in one place at one time, it's quite difficult. We're spread out all across the world. This year the team's changed a little bit. We've got Daniel Sanders, an Australian guy that's coming in the team, so 2 Aussie mullets in the team now to look out for.
Yeah, it's super cool if you get some young spirit like Daniel Sanders, who is super fast on the enduro bike and also show that he's really good in the rally sport.
Being the new guy in the team is hard sometimes. Is the first week or so meeting everyone is you build your relationships from here. So you come in with how you want to be treated, and this team has been really good and probably the easiest one I've transitioned into.
I still feel like the majority of the team's the same. There's me, Toby and Matthias. We've been there a fair while now. All the mechanics are the same and the team managers, so still got that great kind of base behind us.
It's like that in any team. We're all good, close friends in the pit area for sure, but at the end of the day, they're also a competitor. Yeah, it's always serious at the racetrack and you're competing against them, but when the helmet comes off and we're back at the hotel and chilling out, yeah, we're clowning around having fun. As soon as the helmet goes on, it's race time.
We are like a big family and we are all racers, we all try our best, we have a really good relationship. We just try to enjoying our time on the bike, our time at the races with the team together.
The KTM spirit is still there, and of course I think all the team feel like a new sort of sense of spirit to fight at next Dakar, because of course to lose that one this year was rough.
Red Bull give us the chance to train in the APC. There we can look who is forward in the training, who is a step back.
A lot of it's testing, because they've got so many specialists there and specialist equipment, testing bloods, lactic acid threshold, and so we'll take that opportunity to kind of get a good base level and see where we're at and what we should work on and what we need to, try and improve.
Testing the body out and seeing where we can improve on the bike for the long stages in the day. So it's just building endurance in the muscle and helping the body recover as much as we can after each day. So we need to prepare and get ready for battle.
8 to 10 reps in these 40 seconds is enough. Right afterwards, you do 5 jumps, hop, hop, hop. It's a beautiful way of taking one last. And down.
Twerking! Yes, he's twerking.
Go, 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 go. You got the kid. Go, 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 go. Have a way.
Look at this
Higher, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. They have in 5-6 weeks they have the rally Dakar, and now it's time to go more specific way. And with this bar, okay, we have really the bar handling and the core stability was the need for the rally Dakar week.
I think it's important to have long days, not just like 1 hour session and then relax. It's more similar how the Dakar is. You have to put in effort all day long and maybe 12 hours sometimes. You have a really difficult stage in the dunes, really physical. Maybe you need 3 or 4 days here to match one of them.
We've definitely had a bit of a quiet year on the training side of things, so now at the moment it's starting to ramp up again. But the biggest thing is just trying to stay fit and healthy and not injure ourselves before January. So the worst thing you can do is carry an injury into that race.
Last Dakar I ended up breaking 5 vertebrae in my back. Luckily I was able to come back from it pretty quickly and don't have any ongoing issues. So now going into the APC, I'm more looking at trying just fine tune a few things rather than working on any big issues. You know, I'm back to 100% already, so yeah. That's always the goal, to be stronger, fitter, better, faster, more alert, and try not to make the same mistake that I did in this Dakar.
You get prepared for such a long race, how more I think you can manage the risk and you can more stay focused, and also in the summer it looks better.
Come on! Hey! Yeah.
Let's go, let's race. Yeah, mate, I'm ready, I'm keen. I'm gonna overtake Sammy like he's standing still, so this is gonna be fun. Hell yeah. Pretty damn lucky you can make a plan nearly on the spot, and to get a chance to go to the Red Bull Ring, and not many people get this opportunity, and me and Sammy were given it the big licks. Yeah, drifting around there and felt like we were going to be in the next Fast and Furious movie, and bit of Tokyo drifting and stuff, so it was a good fun day, and we didn't destroy any cars, and that was the bonus.
Hey, did you catch the throttle in the first lap when you just went bush?
With my foot, I went down and went to hit the brake,
the throttle.
and then it like friggin' wedged my foot between the brake and the throttle because of my big foot, and then I just kept going. I went, oh
you
shit!
going bush, and I was like, where's he going? So much fun. Like the whole time I was laughing, dude.
Yeah, you know, to say is it all work hard, play hard? It's not easy because you're trying to balance a professional sport that's quite dangerous and has some big consequences, mixed in with something that started off as a passion, as something that you love to do. And you know, we're all competitive at the end of the day and we all want to win, so it's all like a kind of fine balance, but it all plays out pretty well. On the next episode, you can come along and see how the bike's built from start to finish.
Positive test.
Okay.
Ready to race.